Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Simon Says
Let's learn English.
Take a look at the following sentences. Me and my friend went to the park. My friend and I went to the park. Now, which sentence is correct? Let's find out. Now, the first thing we can do is to take away the other person. And now we're left with these two sentences. Me went to the park and I went to the park. Which sentence do you now think is correct? Let's move on and find out. Now, in both sentences, we have the word went, which is a verb. It's an action word. Now, in the first sentence, there's a pronoun, me. But what type of pronoun is this? Well, it's an object pronoun. And an object pronoun is a pronoun that receives an action, but it doesn't do an action. So that means that this sentence, me went to the park, cannot be correct. Let's look at the other sentence. What type of pronoun is I? Well, the pronoun I is a subject pronoun. And a subject pronoun is a pronoun that does the action. Therefore, this sentence is correct. I went to the park. Here's another example. Me and Ali went to the park. Now, this sentence is wrong. It's not correct because me is an object pronoun, and an object pronoun does not do the action. So let's look at this other sentence. Ali and I went to the park. Now the word went, it's a verb, it's an action. And the pronoun I is a subject pronoun. And a subject pronoun does the action. So therefore, this sentence is correct. Now, let's move on to the next part of this lesson. Take a look at these two sentences. He called me. He called I. Now, which sentence is correct and why? Let's take a closer look. Now, the word called, it's an action, it's a verb. As for the pronoun he, then this is a subject pronoun. And we know that a subject pronoun does the action. Now, in both sentences, we have the subject pronoun he and we also have the verb called. Now, what comes after this verb must be an object pronoun, because an object pronoun receives an action. So in these two sentences, which one is the object pronoun at the end of the sentence? Well, it's me. The pronoun me is an object pronoun. So therefore, this sentence is correct. He called me. He called me. Right, hopefully you've understood all of that. So let's get some practice. Which sentence is correct? Is it A, me and my friend ate pizza? Or is it B, my friend and I ate pizza? Now the correct answer is B. Now that's because we say I ate. We don't say me ate. Remember that the pronoun I is a subject pronoun that does the action. Now take a look at these two sentences. Which one is correct? Is it A, she bought me a gift? Or is it B, she bought I a gift? Now in this case, the first sentence is correct. She bought me a gift. Now that's because me is the object pronoun that comes after the verb bought. Right, now for this lesson, what you need to remember is that you should use I as the subject and me as the object. Or there's another way that can help you to remember how to use I and me, is to remember that I always comes before the verb and me always comes after the verb. So now that you've understood this part of the lesson, make sure to stay tuned for the next lesson on he versus him.